Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about prepositions. Please go through my playlist where you will find all concerning to English grammar, and I request you guys to have a look because we have more than 900 plus videos in it. Let us see exactly what we have been given in this slides. Preposition of time. Preposition has been divided into preposition of time and place, so various things have been divided in it. So let us see exactly initially preposition of time, how exactly it is divided. As you can see how the preposition of time, how on is used with the time, at, in, since, for, from, and to, from, and until. So these are the few things which I had discussed. So let us see what has been given in it. Next slide. This is one thing, preposition of time with the usage of on. On is used for the weekdays. He will come on Monday. That is one thing what we can go through this. That is preposition of time with the help of day on Monday, days of the month, that is on the 28th, plus on Sunday morning, on plus day plus part of the day, again on April 13th, on Christmas Day, on the weekend. So how we can use prepositions of time with the on, you can directly go through whatever has been given in the slides. Next we have the preposition of time with the at. So here noon, night, midnight and time of the day. How exactly at can be used? I shall start at 2 o'clock. She will come at night. I will come. So these are all view situations where we can use at with the help of other sentences. So here very specific. I get up at 7 o'clock, specific time. I left the party at midnight. Midnight is at a specific hour, that is why we use at in it. So please remember, wherever there is a specific time we have to use at, is mandatory. So next we have preposition of time with the in. How in can be used in it? Here as you can see to the left of this slide, we can use it other parts of the day, months in the month of May, year 1947, season with the summer, within some confines, whether he is in India or he is in somewhere. So we can use with the confines, field one working, he is in army, he is in navy, like that. And with phrases, wherever the phrases are there where the exactly in can be used with the as a preposition. Duration as in 4 months, so within 4 months, like that we can use that. As you can see to the right of the slide, seasons in winter, decades in the 90s, centuries in the 21st century, parts of the day in the morning, length of the time in 3 hours you have to complete the work. In 2017, I will come in August, she will be in 4 weeks, like that we can make a sentences, and we have to use the preposition of time with the sentences. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. And as you can see how exactly the playlist has been divided, you can directly go through once and then you can subscribe if you are interested. Preposition of time with the since. Here there are two things, how the since and for is used. For is for the period of duration, since is for the point of time. Here I have lived here since 1992. From the beginning 1992 I have lived here. It is what is mentioning here. 1992 is the point of time where since can be used. We have been practicing dance since 8 o'clock. It has given the timing of 8 o'clock, exact point of time. That is the reason they have used since in it. Here beginning at the past time and continuing until now, past to present, it has been, he has been doing that. So that is the reason since is okay with this sentence. Here note since plus a point in the time in the past. I have played piano since I was 8 years old. I have been playing piano since today. So these are the few examples where the exact it was happening from the past to present. So it has to be such a manner where we can use the that is since. Preposition of time, that is for the for, how exactly for can be used. Here for 3 hours it will take for 3 hours or 3 months. The duration, it indicates duration, and it for indicates purpose also. He came for information regarding you. In the place of, you can use instead of, in some places it can be used as for. Start for, sail for, he had sailed for Mumbai. So these are all where we can use phrasal verbs: ask for, wait for, leave for. And in the case of period of time, for the 2 weeks, for the 15 days, for can be used as a preposition of time. So as you can see to the right of the slide, how exactly the preposition of time: during, for, until or till, since, from and to, ago, before, by. So examples have been given. You can directly go through whatever has been given. We stayed at a student hostel during the conference. I am just going to bed for 2 hours or so. We will wait until or till 6:30 for you. 40 years have passed away since they meet. Her visit will extend from Monday to Thursday. He left the house over an ago. So here what exactly the usage of ago, everything has to be remembered. She is always up before dawn. Dawn means sunrise, dusk means sunset. So you have to remember that he had promised to me, he had promised to be back by 5 o'clock, not later than 5 o'clock, that means. Here next we have the preposition of time, how exactly we use from and to. Please remember, this is one thing, preposition of time, the uses of from and to are beginning to ending. There are few situations. He was lived between 1200 and 1240. If I say he was lived from 1980 to 1990, again he played between 1200 and 1240. Here one thing I just want to tell you guys, when from is preceded, automatically to has to come. From 1980 to 1990. If between has come, compulsory it has to be followed, and has to be followed. Between followed by and. From followed by to is very important. From 1980 to 1990. Between 1200 and 1240, not between 1200 to 1240. Negative. Between is followed by and from is followed by to. This is the what exactly we have to remember. This is the rule. English rules are to be remembered. These are the confusing questions you will be given in examinations. Preposition of time, until. How we have to use that until, that is very important. You can directly go through whatever the slide has been given to the right. The point of time or an event, that is the meaning of until. They fought until the last moment. So here it is given at until the last moment is the point of time. As you can see to the right, we will wait till or until 6:30 for you. So we'll be waiting up for you 6:30. So 6:30 is the, we have to remember in such a manner where we can go through until that time we will be waiting for you. So these are the few things which I had compiled from various sources. I hope you have understood this. If you have any queries, you can call me on 7667302252. If you are interested on preparing for GK and GS of 2100 PDF, you will be given free of cost. Call me or WhatsApp me. That will be very useful for you. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. If you have any queries, you can comment me in the section, or otherwise you can directly call me. Feel free to call. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.